When you buy plants at the store, you get a lot of these little tags, and they have really good information on them, but it's really easy to lose them. So here's an idea for how to keep track of them through the growing season so you can go back and reference them. So the first thing you do is you just have a little hole punch, and you can just punch a hole through each tag. And then once you have a hole in them, you can go ahead and take a ring. You could take a key ring. This is a binder clip or even a paper clip, and you can just put them all on this ring. And now you have them all in one place and organized so that when you want to go back and reference what you planted and what it was like, there it all is.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.